Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be recreating a makeup look that Jackie did in a tutorial. I don't think I need to say much if you guys saw the picture when you clicked the video, so we're just gonna jump right in. Don't be too mad at me now. Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be following a tutorial by Jackie Aina. And it'll be popping up on the screen. This is the cream contour and highlight plus bold bright purple eyes. I didn't think this through, you guys. I don't know if I have the purple shade she has, but we're already here. Okay.
I'm gonna go right in by priming. This is actually my first time trying this primer. It is an oil-free primer from NARS, and what I like about it is you don't think it's actually gonna mattify, but once you put that bad boy.
So she's starting off by using a matte primer. So I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Crusty hand. Well, and stick. She's using two primers. I don't really have another one that's for oil control. I should, right? Oily skin. What was I thinking? Kind of why I chose her, and because she's awesome. She's just so real. Can it get any realer?
I've been curious to see how the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer looks as a foundation.
Okay, so she's using a concealer for foundation. Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour foundation, oil-free. Wow, this feels like cake. Oh, it's so great. I was gonna use my Wet n Wild concealer, but I don't like the coverage for it as concealer. Imagine as a foundation. By the way, this foundation is such a hyped up product for no reason. It literally looks so bad right now. I'm pretty sure you guys can see that. Look, this is full coverage. Okay. So I'm going to be using the Benefit Point Concealer to conceal my acne because she's using a concealer as foundation, so we need to cover up. At least just the redness, this foundation did nothing. I literally just want to throw it out, but it cost me $40.
This actually looks a lot better. Change this concealer. Okay, I just have to turn the brightness down my lights because once before highlighting shade and
So she contoured with the same concealers and she highlighted. That's a lot. And she put her concealer on at the same time. She put it everywhere.
baby, I hope that they
On the bridge of the nose. Oops, that's crooked.
change this concealer. Okay,
So I'm just going to use the Tarte Quickie Sponge for that.
but I have oily skin, so this kind of helps keep things locked into place for me, okay?
She's just setting the under eyes and then carving
Using
out
two
the
brow pencils from
cheekbone.
ColourPop and
And she put it down the bridge of her nose. Basically everything she highlighted. There. I'm gonna use my air spun because I'm pretty sure I have like none of the products she used. your girl can't find any of her brow pencils. Yeah, so I was thinking of crying, but that would be dumb. I'm gonna use my bronzer to kind of on the redder side. Well, let's see how this turns out. Luckily I have fuller brows, so that's red. I'm just gonna use a shadow from my Too Faced palette because this bronzer is too red. Okay, so I'm just gonna carve out my brows using my e.l.f. stick concealer.
That way it just doesn't look like concealer. Right into the first color, I'm going to be using this in my crease. It's called Party Time. I'm just going to pop
So she's going right in with the ColourPop shadow.
control where the outer shadows go. Like I use
That's not coming up purple enough.
my transition color. I'm going to take Leopard. This is a deep dark matte silver, and I'm going to be applying that in my outer corner.
So I'm just gonna use my Morphe palette. I'm gonna go in with that purple shade. Putting that in her outer corner. I know the purples aren't gonna be exactly the same. Sorry about that. All of her other makeup tutorials were just like too simple for what I wanted to do right now. Well, yeah, so the purples are way off. Yeah, we're just gonna ignore that. We're just gonna follow the tutorial. You guys, I don't have that shade. Basically, the eyes are not gonna look like hers. Great. Should I just like stop recording? So I'm gonna put this one from the Too Faced, but it has like more. I'm gonna take this one. Mixed with a little bit of this brighter purple shade from this My Me Cosmetics, I believe. I'm gonna lay this one down first. It says that all over the lid. Yeah, that is not the color she has. But luckily we have all this powder on her face to get this cake back. It's only a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna throw on that lighter purple shade on top. She's using a purple liner on her lash line. Guess who doesn't have purple liner? I know this video was a fail. I went by the pretty photo on the background.
Shine.
So I'm just gonna be using this
I'm gonna
Pixie
take my
Endless
Silky
Silky
liner
Eye
from
Pen
L'Oreal,
in
my
the
favorite
shade
liners. And this
Black
is the purple
Blue.
one, and I'm going to pop that along my bottom lash line. And then along the top, I'm just using a bit of the blue. And now I'm going back to Leopard shadow, and I'm just going to blend that liner out.
Now she's putting those beautiful purple shades on the bottom. I use this purple shade from the Carly Bible palette. Wow.
I'm using my Iman pressed black powder I think it's the oil shade
Okay, so
medium.
she's using
I
a
always set with
foundation
powder
powder
just
to set
summer
her
and
makeup now. I'm going to be using a Better Skin by Maybelline. And she's using that on a powder puff. This is, I don't know where it's from, but we're going to powder puff that in. I love this powder, by the way. This is a fave.
I picked up a couple weeks ago and I've been dying to use it, but there's certain things that I like to wait until I'm like on camera so that you can use like and I believe this is their bronzer powder from NARS. It's called
Okay, I'm just going to use my Bobbi Brown bronzer.
a nice warm brown, and I believe that's the highlighting.
She's just bronzing the normal areas. That's what I'm going to do.
Almost my skin tone. It just adds the perfect. It's really subtle. I usually like that and I have two brand new Sasha Blush.
She's using like a orange tone blush, and the only one that I have that isn't so pink is the Estee Lauder All Over Shimmer, I'm assuming. So I'm going to be using this one by Estee Lauder in the shade. It says limited edition and it has no shade name. Okay. Well, my first time using this actually, so let's get it on. Okay, so that's like a blush highlighter. Not really into that, but since we already ruined the makeup tutorial, just keep doing it. Her skin looks so flawless right now, and mine looks like she wants to put a bold lash on. I'm just gonna put these. I'm gonna use these double stacked lashes. I'm gonna use the duo glue because my House of Lash glue did something to my eyeball. I'm going to use that same purple shade. I'm just applying the Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal. So I'm just using a flesh tone liner. I don't have that lip that she's using, so I'm just using this e.l.f. pencil lip in Praline. I am popping Spicy Blush in the Infallible Lip Paint to get more of her shade. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's a fail. I mean, I technically still followed her makeup. I didn't use a concealer as foundation just because I don't have a full enough concealer that is foundation shade. This is not. No, we're not gonna have ghost up in here. Okay, so since my look looks nothing like hers, should I call this inspired? Thank you so much for jumping into this video today. Appreciate ya. This was a fail, clearly. If you would like me to try a different one and actually have the products watch the video before I actually do it, don't forget to subscribe before you leave and leave me a little comment on how big of a fail this actually was. You know, just don't be too mean now. Just